What's up, folks? It's your boy James R. Davis Sr. coming to you live today. Real crypto talk. Y'all ready to get into it? Let's look at the current prices right now. See what we got going on. Bitcoin is down 2.34%. Ethereum is down 3.46%. XRP is down 4.87%. Bitcoin Cash down 2.11%. Litecoin down 5.56%. Let's look at the top losers. Stellar's down 7%. Chainlink down 7%. Oh my God, these two right here are steals right about now. Not giving you financial advice. I'm just saying, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on post notifications so you can receive the news once I upload them. Ren, another steal, down 7.93%. Block Stack, great steal, down 6%. Oh my God, it's buying season. Reserve rights, yes. Ocean Protocol, yes. Numeral, yes. Synthetics, yes. Status, yes. Risen, yes. Near Protocol, I'm not really sure. Theta, yes. Woo! Let's get into it. Who are the biggest winners? Nobody over the past 24 hours. Everybody's down. Good stuff. So let's go right into it. MasterCard, Visa, stop payments to Bitcoin-friendly porn hub. Wow. MasterCard, Visa, stop payments to Bitcoin-friendly porn hub. Ain't that something? Anyway, Lil Yachty teases NFT collab with the Winklevoss twins, Gemini and Nifty. Nifty? Is that Nifty? One thing I want to mention and give you guys a little perk up is NFTs. You might want to do a little research on those. But yeah, the Winklevoss twins. It's a huge move, folks. Huge move. Ethereum ETF goes live in Canada after $75 million raise. Wow. Ethereum's Vitalik Buterin says we need to talk about wallet security. Mass Mutual makes a Bitcoin bet, invests $100 million. Wow. Massachusetts Mutual Life Insurance Company bought $100 million of Bitcoin for its general investment account, according to press release. My God. Again, Lil Yachty sells $375,000 in 21-minute token sale for Yachty. Wow, he launched his own token. Ain't that something? Might want to look into that as well. Support the brother. Coinbase opens up Filecoin trading. Token price jumps. Atari warns developers to use its brand to build blockchain games. I'm sorry, wants, not warns, wants. Atari wants developers to use its brand to build blockchain games. What? Atari is back. 2020. Bitcoin is no longer the world's most used cryptocurrency. In 2020, Bitcoin is no longer the world's most used cryptocurrency. Interesting. Ethereum wallet MetaMask goes after institutional DeFi market. That's huge. Let me jump into the main news for the day. Those were some headlines. JPMorgan Chase says Bitcoin will chip away at gold's value for years to come. My Lord. You see, guys, this is real crypto talk, and I've been saying this for many years now. To make sure you're stacking your Satoshis, not giving you financial advice, but I'm just saying. And recently, what's interesting is that I've been seeing a lot of key people starting to dump gold. In fact, Grayscale has a commercial out. It says dump gold by Bitcoin. Grayscale. Grayscale. Okay? Grayscale. Pretty powerful stuff. Let's see what JPMorgan Chase is talking about because guys, listen. Those that know me know I talk about Jamie Dimon a lot. He is the CEO of Chase, and he is one of the most, I just he should be in jail. I'm just gonna say that. And I think it's a sin and a shame that banks and owners can do different things that regular people could, if they did it, they would be under the jail. Okay, I just think it's insane, man, how they get away with stuff. But anyway, J.P. Morgan Chase, a co-strategist, predict that significant amounts of money will flow out of gold investments into Bitcoin. So, and to think that this guy Jamie Dimon was persecuting Bitcoin just 3 years ago, just in 2017, uh, telling anybody in his company if you get caught trading, you will get fired, stuff like that. And then get caught buying a dip a couple days later after he publicly says, Bitcoin doesn't have a leg to stand on and all the negative stuff. Meanwhile, they're accumulating, manipulating the markets, getting caught doing it, getting sued, they're paying out fines. Um, it's just the cost of doing business, right? Oh, it's incredible. It's incredible. It's fascinating to watch. So let's see what they're talking about. In brief, strategists at JP Morgan Chase predict that the institutional investors are moving from gold to Bitcoin. Since October, investments in the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust grew by 2 billion, while gold-backed ETFs lost 7 billion. If the current trend continues over the coming years, Bitcoin's detrimental effect on gold's price would become much bigger. JP Morgan Chase and Company strategists said that the recent influxes of institutional investors into the crypto sphere may signify that big money is slowly but surely moving into Bitcoin and out of gold. Bloomberg reported today. I haven't even read that yet. Interesting stuff, guys. Anyway, the adoption of Bitcoin by institutional investors has only begun. While for gold, its adoption by institutional investors is very advanced, says J.P. Morgan quantitative strategist Nicholas. Oh my God, I will persecute that name. I apologize, my brother. The bank expects to see some big changes in institutional investors' preferences over the coming years. Since October, investments in the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. Didn't I just talk about that? For example, increased by 5 billion, while gold-backed exchange-traded funds (ETFs) saw a outflow of 7 billion during the same time period. JP Morgan's data shows. It shows right here. Wow, would you look at that? A new shiny plaything. Bitcoin hit a record as investors yank cash from gold funds. Uh, uh, right? Yesterday, Gates Grayscale also announced that it has more than 12 billion worth of digital assets under its management, and Bitcoin comprises roughly 10.4 billion of it out of 12 billion. And if you follow Grayscale on Twitter, they just update it. They keep you informed. All right, 12.8 update net assets under management holdings per share and market price per share for our investment products. Total assets under management, AUM, that's what that means, 12.6 billion. And a hashtag in Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, Horizon, Litecoin, Stellar, Ripple, and Zcash. Some investors have already come out in favor of Bitcoin. Global macro investor CEO Raoul Pal recently swapped his portfolio of liquid assets, which was 25% gold, 25% Bitcoin, and 25% cash, to one that was 98% cryptocurrency and a few bonds left over. Damn! Not raw, not the gold bug. Wow. See, I did not know that news. Just discovering that with you guys. And that's insane. He invested his personal wealth in Bitcoin and Ethereum at a 80-20 split. Very freaking smart move by Mr. Raoul Paul. Wow. I'm tripping on that one, guys. That's insane. For him to say that publicly and people know that publicly, that's insane. Anyway, currently only 0.18% of family office assets are held in Bitcoin. Let me read that again, guys. Currently, only 0.18% of family office assets. What do you mean by family office assets? All the little small owned ETFs and assets, the little companies that manage assets for people. Only 0.18% of family office assets are held in Bitcoin compared to 3.3% in gold ETFs. But even the slightest movement in this distribution would translate into billions of dollars being transferred, absolutely. As the crypto reported, Bitcoin's price has more than tripled against gold since the gold market crash in March. Gold has long been a staple strategic asset in the allocations of institutional investors, commonly used for portfolio hedging across the board. With an American economy severely undermined by the C-19 health crisis and roughly 22% of all USD ever issued printed in a single year, assets like gold and more importantly Bitcoin have dramatically increased in value. Lionel Masica, founder and managing partner at Eden Block, told Decrypto earlier. And since Bitcoin has a lot of gold's features and lacks many of its flaws, such migration of capital could potentially hurt the precious metal in the long term perspective. If this medium to longer term thesis proves right, the price of gold would suffer from a structural flow headwind over the coming years. JPMorgan strategist says Peter Schiff articles like this one should make every wise investor sell Bitcoin and buy gold. Even long-term Bitcoin bulls should be taking profits on Bitcoin now and buying more gold. And that's expected out of Peter Schiff for those that follow him, right? Articles like this one should make any wise investor sell Bitcoin and buy gold. That's crazy, right? As inspected, Peter Schiff, CEO of Euro Pacific, disagrees, right? While referring to a similar article about Bitcoin eating gold's market cap, he said articles like this one should make any wise investor sell Bitcoin and buy gold. Even long-term Bitcoin bulls should be taking profits on Bitcoin now and buying more gold. And that's the end of that. Shift, folks, past 3 years, every person that has had this sentiment has literally come out publicly and said, you know what, I was wrong. Because you know what, we know what they do when they say things like this. They're trying to, they know people listen to them. So their people are doing this. They're selling Bitcoin and buying gold. Fool money is doing that. Here's what he's doing. He's buying Bitcoin and accumulating, driving the price down. The bulls are just buying up the prices. And lastly, I just want to show you this chart. This is proof of that. Proof of it. Look how they're playing the game. You know, the psychological resistance line of $20,000. That's a psychological barrier. Think about that. That's a psychological barrier. It's crazy. That's why I love to trade crypto. Like, this is the perfect time to be buying the dips right now. It's your boy James R. Davis, signing out. Talk to you guys soon.